My son will not come back and make his father proud.
Mazi Okeke.
Just look at that house.
Mazi Okeke.
Agidigba.
Mazi. Why are you just complaining and talking to yourself?
Okay, who is building that house over there?
He's the son of Chief John Bosco.
Chief John Bosco's son.
Chief John Bosco's son, now that one that came back from Jakarta now.
He's not building.
He's building,
Okay. Agidigba. I came here to discuss something very important with you.
What is it again, Mazi Okeke?
You know me very well in this village.
I know you very well.
And I know you very well, Agidigba.
I know you know me very well.
Agidigba. Some boys have been terrorizing this village.
Some boys?
They have been stealing.
Where did these boys now come from?
I came here to ask you that same question you just asked me now.
Mazi Okeke, I don't even know what you are talking about.
Agidigba, do you know those boys that steal in this
village? I don't even know what you are talking about. This is like the first time I'm hearing about this thing.
Agidigba.
Mazi Okeke.
You don't know those boys.
I don't know any boy.
Agidigba.
Mazi Okeke.
Since you said you don't know those boys, well, let me be on my way. But Agidigba, be careful. If I eventually find out that you know those boys, you know. Officer.
Hey, Mr. Man, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please, I'm looking for Agidigba.
Agidigba?
Yes.
Hope everything is fine.
No, everything is fine. The Nigerian police needs him.
Okay.
Yes.
Just go straight now.
How are you? Officer,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Don't be afraid.
I'm not afraid. This one you came with this Olopa seat.
If you misbehave,
I cannot misbehave.
we will use it to make you behave. So now we are about to talk business. There's something on ground. I heard you import and export the security tools.
I import and export everything you want.
Wow, the things police use.
Everything you want in this world, even human beings, I am gone. I have fairly used guns. I just brought them yesterday from Addis Ababa.
There's a little issue on ground.
What issue is that?
It's my fault, but not really my fault.
Hey, officer, just go and tell me now.
No, we are not above mistake.
I know now.
I went to smoke Igbo and I forgot my gun. Are you laughing at an officer?
I'm just surprised that you said you used to collect once.
It's a normal thing.
It's a normal thing.
So, I want to get a new gun before I go back to our station. DPO will finish me.
Don't worry now,
Yes.
officer. Hey, officer, what is your name, by the way? Now? I don't even know your name. To know your name.
You
now.
want to betray me?
I don't want to betray you. I just want to know your name. You don't want to become Agidigba's friend.
Officer Sabinus.
Officer Sabinus.
Ask about me.
Officer
We arrest people, we release them, we arrest them again.
Are you serious?
You misbehave.
Don't worry, Officer Sabinus. I have this gun that I just brought yesterday from Addis Ababa. It's not Nigerian made.
African gun.
Confirm African gun.
Ooh.
This one, if you use it to catch any thief, papa, pion. Let me bring the gun.
That means the gun can see people in Liberia.
This gun can see people in Madagascar. Hey. Officer Sabinus.
And now I know why those boys stole my gun. God wants to do it for me.
Hey, God wants to give you a better gun.
I will shoot DPO.
You want to shoot DPO with this gun?
Agidigba, how am I sure this gun is original gun?
Officer Sabinus, do you want to test it?
Because there are some guns you shoot it to shoot you.
No, this gun is one shoot, 7 die.
Bring your leg.
No, how can you test my leg now? Let's test it in the air and... Ew! I told you now.
This is final battle.
Let me just package it for you now, so that you cannot carry it like this and go.
Yeah. Hey, thunder will fire those boys. Hey, I went to smoke it, but they took my gun. Now I'm gonna smoke again now.
Officer, just carry it like this and go so that people will not see you and run away from you. Agidigba! Officer Sabinus!
Yeah.
Now,
One shot for me.
Sure for you, Officer Sabinus.
That's my boy.
Remember that
Officer! Don't shoot me yet. It is me.
Any problem?
There is no much problem, but there is a bigger problem that I want to tell you now. You know, there are some boys in this village. Things have been missing in this village. They have been robbing, terrorizing this village. And you know you are the officer of the law.
Yes.
You are the only person that can do this job. So I just came to inform you so that you help us clear the area.
That's not an issue. Any of your properties is missing?
And they cannot thief my property.
Don't worry. Once you have told me now, action taken. Do you know what you do? Call those boys to come this night. I'm ready.
I should call them.
Officer Sabinus.
Officer!
Don't hear me much. If you hear me,
Let me go and inform them now.
yeah, tell them to come out this night. I'm ready for them.
Officer!
If you hear me too much, I shoot you.
Let me go.
So we'll wait for action. I'm robbers in this village. I'm an officer now. Wow. So this beautiful village, no motor. Why them posters come here? Sir? I don't even understand. Eh? As in DPO track come here or in drive come here. Come posters for this hat.
Since morning, no motor, no small person drive no phone sef.
You know they find bribe. Not the bribe by the talk.
Na wetin you dey talk?
Small things now.
Na bribe na.
One day come and buy this one. I just brought it from Agidigba.
Oga, this car look like a stolen car o.
Yeah, where you headed to?
I'm headed to my house.
Okay. Where's your car ownership form?
I have it.
Where's your local government form?
I have it.
Na which place?
No, leave him. Don't be keep saying, no worry.
Where is your marriage certificate?
I have it.
Your corona sensitization form.
I have it.
Say this guy has everything. They claim sense for
There
this
is claim
country.
sense for this.
No worry, make I check in back seat. This car is supposed to be 4 seaters. I'm seeing 3 seaters. Where's the other seat?
I have it.
Ah!
Okay. Since you don't have everything. How you doing now? Our family.
They are doing well, sir.
Wow, we thank God. Let me say one beg you. I know we are citizens. Forget say we are uniform. We have things to take care of. We have children.
Like me, I have wife, 2 wives.
Two. He married 2. So I'm pleading on his behalf. You know, show boys love.
Anything.
Anyhow it be. We not delay you. We not so get where they go. Yeah. No water. So,
Anything.
okay, anything.
Shaman! Move! Shaman! Ah!
Let them give you
No,
what.
na you don dey put am inside pocket, no be so. Na I get 2 wives, I get children.
The day I married them, I may be pastor.
Why you dey do like this now?
No. The debt do us part. Now me and you agree.
Okay, so na but na me and you go collect the money now.
One thing I like myself now, backhand that they always give. So if you near here, you go tell me whether I make carry jump police. Are you mad?
Oga, no be so.
Now let me call DPO for you say they collect bribe.
Na we collect the bribe.
We
Na we collect the bribe.
We are the chosen generation. Hey. What's going on here? What's going on here?
You see anybody?
Pick them up, they're under arrest.
Okay, you're under arrest.
Hey, if they repeat what they talk, the smoky boy, you see the teller says under arrest. 31, don't talk already. Carry this man, the smoky boy with the white hair tie there. They tell me, say, come on.
Okay, stand up. You guys are under arrest.
Don't let my smoke follow.
Are you mad? You know who I be? Who are you?
Who you be?
Not the gun be this. Who are you? Not the gun be this. Nah, shoot him. It be like say this people no say na gun be this.
Okay, wait up. We know what.
You since you join police to shoot gun, na problem.
People dey come new for this side.
And they talk, it.
I am wounded too much. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
You understand though?
Like say una come new for this side. They do anyhow.
This one they learn work now.
They do anyhow since for this place, Abi.
Let me just package it for you now so that you cannot carry it like this and go.
Yeah. Hey, I went to smoke it, but they took my gun. I will go and smoke again now.
Officer, just carry it like this and go so that people will not see you and run away from you.
Say una come new for this side. They do anyhow.
This one they learn work now.
They do anyhow since for this place, Abi.
About show them.
Guys.
Like say they do anyhow, eh?
Hey, come on. Come. Don't be there. Follow talk.
Now you be my organ now. Why they do like this?
If my gun, I go hold gun for your front, light them. Follow your gun now.
Defend them.
You know the young word. I don't know why. Mumu man.
This one they learn work.
Come on, you try me.
I am wounded too much. You be mumu.
For this place.
You think say they wise?
Come on board.
You are a mumu man. Sorry. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Thank you very, very much for watching that video. Thank you for staying to the end. What did I just say? Okay, just thank you for watching that video to the end. You understand? Anything I say, I know you understand what I mean. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Just like, comment, share this video so that other people can watch this video. And also, please, if you watch this video, please just subscribe. It doesn't take any, it will not remove you 1 naira from your pocket if you subscribe. You just use your hand. That same energy you use to comment, like, and watch. You also subscribe to our channel, please. Subscribe is very important for us. Please subscribe. And also follow us on Facebook at House of Lenzi. Follow us on Facebook, House of Lenzi. And don't forget, you can download this video and other of our videos from our website www.houseoflenzi.com. Please watch other of our videos, share with your friends, just keep yourself entertained. I know that as you are watching this video now, you don't really have anything, even you have something you are doing. Thank you for staying to watch. Please watch other videos and tell other people to also come and subscribe. Please subscribe, tell somebody to subscribe, and also tell other person to tell somebody that you know, that will tell another person that you know, that knows somebody that you know. If you don't call this video like this now, I feel they talk rubbish.